Hi, this is Rajeshwari Vijayanan. Welcome to Rak's Kitchen. I bought a bread maker last month to bake my own bread for the week, and I want to share a quick review with you all. This is Panasonic automatic bread maker model SD P104. This comes with menu to bake variety of breads. This is the control panel, lid and the dispenser lid. So if you open the dispenser lid, you can add yeast, and if you are adding nuts or raisins, you are going to add in this. If you open the lid, there is the bread pan and a detachable blade in it. So in the control panel, we have lot of options. For example, if you are baking white bread, you can choose the crust color. You want it light or medium. Then we have a raisin option. This is for if you are going to add raisin or nuts in the bread, you can choose this. And you have hour and minute setting. This will be helpful if you are going to set the timer. So with the timer option, you can set timer so that before going to bed, start the machine, and morning you will wake up to the fresh baked bread. This comes with a measuring cup. This is meant to measure only the liquid, and this is tablespoon and teaspoon measurement. And it also comes with a recipe book. So the instruction manual comes with the recipes for the various bread options they have given. I'm going to share with you a basic white bread recipe with all-purpose flour. If we use bread flour, the results are really good. That is, the bread comes out really soft, but the bread flour has some additives which worries me, so I'm using the regular all-purpose flour. So I'm going to take out the bread pan and add the ingredients. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm adding about 100 ml of milk, fresh milk, and another 100 ml of plain water. So first the liquid goes in, then I am adding 15 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, two cups of plain flour, that's it. We are going to put inside the bread maker. So I am adding instant yeast, 1 teaspoon in the yeast dispenser. As soon as you press the start button, the machine straight away starts kneading, unless otherwise you have chosen timer. If you have chosen timer, it will go to the standby mode, that is rest, and it will be maintained until the next process is started. So after it kneads, it rests the dough, and then again after some time it adds the yeast and kneads again for a few minutes until you get a nice smooth dough. And then it goes to braise mode, after which it will start baking. So as soon as the bake cycle is over, you have to switch off the machine and take out the bread pan immediately. So once you've taken out the pan, you have to loosen up the sides and take out the bread. Give 2 minutes resting time and cut the bread into slices. It smells really good. And here we have the white bread. The pan will be hot, so make sure to use oven gloves. So the bread is now hot. Let it cool for 2 minutes. Don't cut when it is hot. When it is warm, you can cut into slices and serve. There is a hole in the bottom of the bread. It will go off in the last slice of the bread. So it's warm enough to handle now. Using the bread flour gives you the best result of all. Next best result is achieved with all-purpose flour, that is maida. But I have experimented with the commercially available atta which we use for making roti, and the results are really good. I am still experimenting with more healthy ingredients added to the bread, and once it's perfect, I will definitely share with you all. So there are a lot of options you can do with this bread maker. Be it sweet bread like butterscotch bread or our childhood favorite tutti frutti sweet bread. I'm sure we'll share with you all if it turns out good. Subscribe to stay tuned.